Spatial and non-spatial data analysis. It is a powerful tool for comprehensive raster-based spatial modeling and analysis. Using this tool, it can derive new information from existing data through analyzing spatial relationships and building spatial models. It is used to increase better understanding of real world in different scenarios to take better decisions. To derive new information, either one or more inputs and spatial operations can be used as shown in below figures. Results of analysis can be communicated in the form of maps, reports, or both. A map is used to display geographic relationships, whereas a report document for summarizing the tabular data. Spatial data analysis is a process to look at geographic patterns in data and relationships between features. Spatial data analysis usually involves manipulations or calculation of coordinates or attribute variables with various spatial operation tools. Some of them are discussed below. Query based on spatial and non-spatial data, dissolve, overlay, merge, buffer analysis, triangular irregular network. Query. Once GIS project is created, it is possible to apply different types of queries to obtain results to meet expectations. In GIS, simple as well as complex queries are possible based on spatial and non-spatial data. A question or request used for selecting features, a query often appears in the form of a statement or a logical expression. These queries can be applied using on-screen, based on specific conditions, operations based on attribute tables. It selects the features based on their attributes. Below figure displays the resultant of various attribute queries. Following queries are used to select the features based on state name, area and population density. State Vermont based on specific condition. State New York based on specific condition. Area greater than 1000 square meters based on specific condition. Population density less than 250 square per meter based on attribute table. The resultant map is shown below figure. Following are the different Boolean algebraic expressions that are used to get output. Examples are as shown in figure 83. In spatial selection, features are identified based on spatial criteria such as adjacency, connectivity, containment. The figure below shows all the states adjacent to Missouri. The states which are containing the river network are shown as an example of containment in this figure. Dissolve. Dissolve is a function which combines similar features within a data layer. Adjacent polygons may have identical values. Dissolve function removes the common boundary. Removing of common boundary of the same class reduces the number of polygons. Below the figure shows an example of dissolve function. In this figure, the numbering is done based on west and east side of Mississippi River. West side is assigned number 1 and east side is assigned number 2. Then the dissolve function is applied. The resultant map will have only two polygons which are named as west and east side of the river. Overlay. Spatial overlay. One basic way to identify spatial relationships is through the process of spatial overlay. Spatial overlay is accomplished by joining and viewing together different layers of same area. The result of this combination is creation of new dataset that identifies the spatial relationships. Figure 87 shows combination of layer A and layer B and produce an overlaid map produced which has the information of both layer A and B. Overlay is the important part of GIS analysis and is performed in both vector and raster domain. Raster overlay. Raster overlay mainly applied to nominal or ordinal data with cell-by-cell process which results in the combination of two input layers. Two input layers are combined in raster overlay. Nominal variables for corresponding cells are joined and creating a new output layer. For example, soil layer is combined with land use layer to create a composite output layer as shown below. Vector overlay. Vector overlay function identifies line intersection points automatically. Intersecting lines are split and a node is placed at the intersection point. Topology must be recreated for later processing. For example, polygon output from point and polygon overlay is shown in figure, which results in uncertainty regarding the source for combining attribute data because there are many points corresponding to each polygon, where clarity is not there. But in case of point output, resultant point is having one polygon and gives more clarity. Spatial and